Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can see your YouTube email address. So this is super easy. What you're going to do is open a browser first. After opening browser, go to your YouTube channel or right here YouTube, press enter. After going to YouTube channel, you'll find on top right corner this one, your profile icon. Just click on this and then you'll find a window, small window like this. Just scroll down and you'll find here settings. Just go to settings. After go to settings, you'll find here your email address. You can see that signed in as your email address, this one. So this is how you can see your email address in YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.